another Richard Reviews. Today we're reviewing a book, that book being Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance by Robert M. Pirsig. And it's an inquiry into values. This book was given to me by a Staples employee, I believe in 2012, and I read it in a hotel room with a little help from my brother, and I am going to review this book to you right now. The best thing that I can do, as opposed to telling you what this book is about, is quality. This book is about quality. This book is mainly about quality, and it shows it. It's a rather big book. It's a thick book. It's got to be, 300 plus pages? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a big book. And he talks about quality. Quality of certain parts, IQs, different diagrams. Let's see. It says right here the price is $16.99 in the USA. Okay, so that's how much the book goes for from a retailer. Now, regardless, it's been said that this book produces different systematic waves throughout how people can diagnose different problems. The main character of this book, I don't know his name, but he travels cross country with his son, Christopher, whom I believe this is Christopher. Oh yeah, An Unforgettable Trip. So Christopher and him are traveling, and although it's a powerful book, there are things in here that I didn't pick up as in terms of catching my eye. See, right here, this is wrong. This is wrong. So, like I said, a decent book, not the best. If I had to give it a solid rating, I would give it a 2.5 out of 10. That is my review of Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance by Robert M. Pirsig. It's an inquiry into values and delves into different schematics between what is and what isn't quality. Now, that's my review for Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance by Robert M. Pirsig on Inquiry into Values. This is Richard Reviews. Thank you.